Guys, we completed the last SBC for the 89 plus FIFA World Cup or Prime Icon upgrade. The 85 squad has been completed. Hopefully we can get like a Prime Pele or a Prime R9. Let's submit this. Jumbo Premium Gold Players Pack. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. 89 plus FIFA World Cup or Prime Icon upgrade. Let's go. Come on. Hopefully you can get something really, really good in this. Let's do the Jumbo Premium Gold Player Pack first. I don't think is that a board? ST. Yes, a board. Griezmann. Yagon. 89 plus Prime or World Cup Icon pack. Let's get straight into it. Sorry about that. Let's go. Come on, come on. Please, please, please. Okay. Centre mid. Oh, Balak. Oh, that's not good. 91 Balak. That's not too great, actually. 400k. Oh, that's not too great. That's not too good. It's a 91, which is good, but Balak's not too great. Well, see you next time. Peace.